morning students. Hearty welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation Online Class. Class 1. Subject EVS. Chapter 2. Water. Water in our daily life. Students, answer me. For what all purpose we are using water? Is for drinking, for bathing, for cooking, for washing, etc. So we use water for many of our daily activities. We drink water to keep ourselves healthy. How many glasses of water we should drink daily? Is 6 to 8 glasses of water to keep us healthy. So we use water to bath, to cook, to wash clothes and to plant trees. That is to grow plants. Yes. Can we live without water? No, we cannot live without water. So you have to use it carefully. So for bathing, drinking, washing, growing, cooking, for brushing, for everything, we are using water. So these are the uses of our water. Not only for us, even for animals. So for all the living organisms, the water is used. So we have to save water for the future use. Okay. Now the next topic, preparation of lemon juice. Do you all know how to prepare lemon juice? Okay. Today's activity, take a lemon, cut the lemon into 2 pieces. Then squeeze the juice into a glass. So just squeeze the lemon into a glass. Add required sugar and a pinch of salt, little amount of salt. Okay, so first cut the lemon, squeeze it, then add sugar and little salt into it. Then pour water. Then stir it well. Okay, you can see the activities in the following picture. You are taking a lemon, cutting into 2 pieces, then you have to squeeze it, then add sugar and pinch of salt, then add water and mix it well. Then you can drink the lemon juice. So this is your today's activity. You have to prepare the lemon juice using this way. Okay. The next topic that we are going to see today is water everywhere. So it's a rain time. Rain. Students, sing a rhyme along with me. It's raining and raining, pouring everywhere. I'm singing and dancing, playing everywhere. The trees are swaying, the animals are enjoying. Without rain, there is no life anywhere. So, what does this rhyme says? It's raining. Now it is raining. Look into this picture. You can observe that children are playing in a rain. So it is raining. Pouring everywhere. All the places the water is getting poured. They are singing and dancing. And even they are playing. Trees are swaying. Animals also enjoying. So if it is not raining, without rain, there is no life anywhere. So now we saw we need water for drinking, bathing, washing, yes, brushing, drink everything. So how we are getting that water? Rain is the main source of water. It will fill the water everywhere. Lakes, ponds, wells, rivers. So these are the sources of water. Lake, pond, well, river, etc. Okay. So all living beings, human beings, animals, everything, they need water to live. Even plants, they also need water to grow. So fishes, frogs, ducks and many plants live in water. You can observe in the following picture. You can see duck, fish, frog, even deer is drinking water, peacock is nearby. Then yes, all this need water and some plants also grow in the water. Okay, next, steps to prepare clean and safe drinking water. So you have water, but you have to make that water fit for drinking. So you cannot drink the water as it is. What you have? You have to make it a pure and clean water. Yes. So how can you make that? Steps to prepare clean and safe drinking water. Collect the water in a vessel. First you have to collect the water in a vessel. You have to filter that water using a cloth, white cloth. So the mud will be collected in that cloth. Then you have to boil well the water. Then cover it with a lid. Close that boiled water with a lid and allow it to cool. Now the water is fit for drinking. So you have to drink the water like this. You have to collect the water in a vessel, filter it, boil it, cover it with a lid, cool. So these are the steps to prepare clean and safe drinking water. Now it is the work for you, that is count and write how many fishes are there, crab is there, frog is there and other flowers. Yellow flower, then butterfly. Now next topic, fun with water. So we are going to have a fun with water. We are going to make this experiment. Are you ready to prepare this experiment? Okay. Keep some pieces of ice in a bowl. Take a bowl, keep some pieces of ice. Leave it for 10 minutes. Observe what it happens. You will observe the ice cube which you have placed as a solid, that is ice, will melt to water. It will change into water. You can touch and feel it too. Okay. Prepare water of different colors by using food colors. So just take the ice cube, take out from the refrigerator, keep it outside. After 10 minutes it will be changing to water. This is the fun with water. You have played with the water well. Okay. So students, hope you all understood the today's topic and importance of water, for what all purpose water is used, how we are getting water and the rhyme. We will meet in the next class. So today's homework is write the steps to prepare clean and safe drinking water. Just write the steps, 5 steps. First one. Second homework, uses of water. Make a mind map. So fill this mind map, uses of water. Thank you students. We will meet in the next class.